Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can know who stalks you on Facebook. So I'll be showing you a step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So first thing, before getting started, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then let's begin. In order to know who stalks you on Facebook, you'll need to open up your web browser. Use any web browser that is convenient for you. So once you open up your web browser, on the search box you need to type in www.facebook.com/login. First thing you need to do is login from the web browser. So for that, click on login into Facebook and then enter in your login credential. So once you're logged in from the web browser, what you need to do is you need to click on the Facebook link, which will be right on top. Once you're on your profile page, click on the three dot icon in the top right. Now you'll need to switch it over to desktop side. So this is what the interface is going to look like. So once you're on this page, once you do this, after that click on the menu page in the top right and you'll be taken to the menu page. Now click on your profile icon in the top right. After you click on the profile icon, you'll be taken to the profile page. And once you're on this page, you need to click on the Facebook link, which will be right on top, and then a new search tab will load. You can see there is a Facebook link, and just next to it there's a pencil icon. Click on it. So what you need to do is you need to take the cursor right in front, and after that you need to type in view dash source. Now don't forget to give a semicolon. Once you do this, you'll be able to find the link right under it, and then you'll be taken to this kind of interface. Now once you're on this page, you need to click on the three dot icon once again and click on find in page. After that you'll be able to search, so then type in active list. As you type in active or active list, you'll be able to see this kind of highlighted sentences. So what you need to do is you need to copy the number. You can see right over here, copy the number or the serial number. Tap on the search icon right on top, and after that click on the pencil icon once again and erase all of your information or your profile information. Paste in the number or the code that you recently copied, and once you do that, you'll be taken to their Facebook profile page. So that is how you can know who stalks you on Facebook. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.